In the last 30 days, my TikTok Shop affiliate business has made over $38,000 profit. And that doesn't include the free products right here that I'm gonna show you how you can get too. If you don't believe me, let's jump into my screen right here. If we come to TikTok Shop for creator, you can see I've already made over $400 and it's not even noon. But if we come to the performance data, we come to custom and we do the custom date from the 11th back to the 12th. You can see just over $38,000. Now that is straight profit. I did this without buying any inventory, without spending any money on ads. And I wanna show you how you can replicate the same exact process. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS and get into how you can get products just like this sent to you completely free via the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you guys are unaware, the affiliate program is seriously a gold mine, and if you're not leveraging it, you are missing out not only on tens of thousands of dollars in commissions paid out, but also thousands of dollars of free products that you would already be buying. So it's the best of both worlds. And if you guys are new to the affiliate program, I'll link a video in the description that shows you the A to Z process on getting started. But for those that are approved, have an account, and are trying to scale up, whether you're making your first video, your 100th video, this is gonna be extremely valuable. So what I wanna do and accomplish in this video is show you how you can go about getting products to review so you do not have to come out of pocket for these products. So there's 3 different options. We're gonna dive into my phone and I'll break them down. So now let's jump into my phone, and this is my account. I'm literally sharing everything publicly. There's no secrets. You guys can go check out my profile and see all my videos, my products. But again, I wanna show you how you guys can replicate this process. I wanna show you again those 3 strategies on getting products. So once you are logged into your account, you're gonna go to your home, and right up at the top, it says shop. And then right here, you can see the little icon where it says stepping stones or search or a little camera icon. And you're going to click on that little search bar. And from here, you can search for products that you may already have around your house. Or you can come right here and you can take this camera, it says get started, and you can come right here and I can take a picture of this product, Perk Energy, and it will go in and tell me, oh, okay, there is a match. There is a product like this on the TikTok Shop. And so you're gonna wanna click on this, and you're going to want to add this to your marketplace, which I already have, added to Showcase. And just like that, you can make a video for that product. So you're gonna go around your house and scan for products that you already have. Take pictures of it, and then if you can find the exact product that is listed on TikTok, you can start promoting that. And so that is where the beginner is going to want to start, is just find products that are already around your house. So that's the first tip. You can also search for the product as well. So like if you have a treadmill or men's clothing, like it's telling me a bunch of different things, foot massagers, room decor, just type for the product and see if you can find something similar. That also works as well. But the picture is game changer. So let's jump to the second step and the second way to get products, and that is with what's called refundable samples. So if we come to my profile, we're gonna come to the little TikTok shopping bag and go to the TikTok Shop Creator Center, and you're going to click on Product Marketplace. And from here, this is where you're going to basically go in and find products that you're interested in or fit a certain criteria. And if you guys are wondering what that criteria may be, I actually have a video where I show how to find products that have the most potential. And again, I'll link that in the description. All the resources will be in the description, so make sure to check that out. But what we're gonna do is we're going to say, okay, I am interested in sports and outdoors. So I'm gonna click on this, and then from here, I can just scroll down and see what products are available to me, either what's called by a free sample or a refundable sample. So this is basically the second and third way combined, which I'm gonna show you all at once because it's basically the same process. You'll see right here, if I want these rod holders, I can click on this, and it literally says free sample. I can swipe up and it says get free sample, and I can click right here and I can select the product and I can request a free sample. So if you are not eligible for a free sample, it will say either nothing or it will give you an alternative option, which is called a refundable sample. So we'll scroll down until we see what's called a refundable sample, and you'll see a ton of free samples. And I'll get to why I have so many free sample options here in a second, but right here you'll see this windproof outdoor cycling cap mask, beanie, hoodie, whatever it is, it says refundable sample. And this is actually a product that I'm like, okay, this is actually pretty sweet. And it could be a product that I would promote. Since I've been doing it so long, I can just kind of see a product where I'm like, oh, that would be actually kind of fun to promote. And I feel like I could do a great video with. And if we swipe up right here, you're going to see order refundable sample, generate 1 sale for a refund. Or in other words, I buy this product up front, I spend 10, 15 bucks, it gets to my house, I then make videos about it. And if I generate 1 sale, I get reimbursed the cost of the product, however much I spent to get the product shipped to my house. And so that way, you're not risking as much. Yes, you are coming out of pocket initially, but if you make enough videos and if you generate just 1 sale, then you can get the refund. And if you have a solid criteria when it comes to picking a product, it's almost guaranteed that if you just make the videos, you will be able to generate at least 1 sale and then get reimbursed. And so again, this is a fantastic option for the new affiliates that don't have the free sample options yet. And so that is kind of the second option, is doing the refundable samples. So let's take a step back. I showed you guys how you can scan products around your house. You can take pictures of it, then you can go and get refundable samples. And then the third option is getting free samples, which I was showing you guys. And as you can see, I have a ton: free sample, free sample, free sample. And basically, once your account gets credibility, or in other words, once your account generates GMV or sales, or you've gotten commissions, you are going to be able to request these samples. The sellers set certain prerequisites or requirements in order for certain people to be able to apply for free samples. And even then, just because it says free sample, you still have to request it. And sometimes the brand will not approve it. So the secret to getting free samples is by getting that credibility on your account, or just creating a ton of videos and generating as much commission as humanly possible. If you can do that, then you'll get to the point where literally all these products right here, I got sent to me completely free. And I actually kind of want to break down some of these products because I actually low-key think that they're amazing, whether you promote them on TikTok or not. Just taking them, eating them, using them, I love them. So we've got Spilt. This is a protein milk with caffeine. We've got energy drinks. Some of the energy drinks on the TikTok shop are unbelievable. They taste so good, and they're 10 times cheaper than if you were to go to the gas station. Like when I road trip, I try not to drink energy drinks all the time, but when I'm road tripping, I have to have an energy drink. And instead of spending $3-4 a can, I can get these on the TikTok shop for like $1 to $2. And also, I actually don't pay anything because I get them for free. But for the average person, you can get them for like $1 to $2. And so right here, you can see all the brands. And like, we're talking about big brands: C4, Ghost, Rise, Lost and Found, like brands that are actually legit. We've got cookies, we've got protein bars. And again, the protein bars are like legit brands like Built. We've got a Snickers bar. We've got this Mosh protein bar, tons of that. And then we've got some supplements over here. Perk Energy, this is like, it's a caffeinated like hot cocoa that honestly is so good. It's a Mexican hot chocolate. Then we've got creatine. I'm always taking creatine. Colostrum, I seriously swear by this stuff. It just helps with your immune system. And then we've got some vitamins and then some protein balls down there. So literally all these products are products that I would normally be buying and that I literally actually want and use for myself. But with the TikTok Shop program, I can just get them for free. So not only am I making $38,000 per month in profit, which is just ridiculous, I can get products that I would be buying regardless. So I am saving, we're talking thousands of dollars every single year in products just like this. And that does not include the RC cars, the fun toys that I'm getting in addition to these different health and supplement products. So I hope that this video you guys found valuable, and I hope that this motivates and inspires you to really get started with the affiliate program, because it seriously has changed my life. And like, the amount of money that I'm making by making simple review videos is absurd. And if you guys need additional help, so whether you guys need to get your account unlocked, we have a complete community group inside school that breaks down the A to Z process. We also have accounts that you can buy that are completely TikTok Shop unlocked. I will put the link to the school group. It is only $5 per month. That price is not going to be that way forever. So make sure to jump in, lock in the price point of $5 per month, because we are going to be increasing it here shortly. So take advantage of that. Again, the videos to the other topics and strategies that I mentioned will also be in the description. So again, I hope you guys take advantage of this program, because what is in front of you is seriously a gold mine, and I have not seen such a good opportunity. And just real quick, before we wrap things up, I want to give a little bit of background about myself to hopefully build some trust and some confidence into who I actually am as a person. So I've been in the online space for almost 9 years. I've tried every single online business possible, and I've succeeded at a lot of them. I've made close to $20 million straight online from my phone and laptop. That's it. I've done Shopify dropshipping. I've done agencies. I've done affiliate marketing. I've done Amazon FBA. I sell on TikTok. I sell on Shopify. Like, I've done everything that you can think of. And when I say this, I literally mean this. The affiliate program is some of the easiest money I've ever made. Now, is it a cakewalk? Does it still require effort? Absolutely. And it is not a cakewalk. And so you still have to put in the work and effort to make it happen. But when it comes to the risk versus the reward, I've never seen something so good. So again, that's a little bit about me. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys like this content, please subscribe. I appreciate your support. I'm almost to 100K subscribers. We're almost getting there. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video.